In this video, I'll guide you through the basics of starting affiliate marketing on Pinterest and how to scale a Pinterest account from 0 views. I'll explain what affiliate marketing is and how it works specifically with Pinterest. It won't be some kind of unnecessary information to mess up your mind and get lost, but I'll help you to start your journey in this sphere. And at the end of this video, I'll show you one bonus tip which can skyrocket your Pinterest account to the next level. So stay tuned for that. Essentially, affiliate marketing involves promoting products through affiliate links. There are various forms and degrees of involvement in affiliate marketing, and one of the most popular, reliable program for beginners is the Amazon Associates program. For the Amazon Associates program, you are required to validate your profile and demonstrate that you have a personal website that you will use to promote their products. This ensures that you are not promoting Amazon items in a wrong way across various platforms. After setting up your account with Amazon Associates, you will receive a personalized link that you can use to promote a specific item. Let me show you what I mean. Just go to amazon.com and click on one of these products. For example, these sandals over here. And as you can see at the top of a page, there is a side stripe line. So click on text and you can find your affiliate link here. This only appears once you set up your Amazon Associates account and log in to amazon.com through the same email you registered. Now let's explore how you can effectively promote products on Pinterest. There are several strategies to consider. It's important to route your affiliate links through your own website or landing page, rather than linking directly from Pinterest to Amazon, which can lead to getting your account disabled because Pinterest doesn't allow direct promotion. I suggest creating a blog post or setting up a quick website using a platform like Google Sites. You can easily start by visiting sites.google.com, selecting a blank page and creating a basic site in just a few minutes. This approach enhances the presentation and credibility of your promotions. Once you set up a simple website, a landing page you can begin promoting your product. With the Amazon Associates program, if someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase on Amazon, you earn a commission. The amount of commission can vary based on the niche you are in. Selecting a niche is crucial for success on Pinterest. For example, if you navigate to your Pinterest home feed and search for something like weight loss, you'll find that there are accounts dedicated to weight loss, offering tips and promoting related products. For example, in this account, they have a link in bio and it leads to sites.google.com. So if I click on this, we go to a landing page, and as you can see in this blog post, we can find a promotion links such as this one, learn how 1,000 people have lost 10 pounds in 1 week, and we can see a call to action. Click here. And once we click on this affiliate link, we are led to ClickBank's product. If, for example, I buy this product right here or this, the affiliate which recommended me this product will get a commission. So today we'll be utilizing our own website and we'll be using tools like Canva to create similar content. How do you create content like this for Pinterest? You should use a business account. To set one up, you can go to the top right corner, select the accounts option and choose business access to start your own business account. It's completely free. A business account typically offers more detailed insights into your Pinterest activity and provides valuable data and analytics. In this case, I'll already have an account specifically dedicated to weight loss niche that I used in the previous video, so I'm going to use this one. Now let's create our content for Pinterest. I plan to promote a specific product, which is this one, vibration plate exercise machine, and for this I want to design a simple pin about weight loss which will link from my Google Sites website to Amazon. I'll use Canva for this purpose, so let's go to canva.com, and in Canva I'll search Pinterest and you can choose whichever you like the most. Now I'm going to stick to this one, click on this, click on customize with template, and now we can completely change this template. We can change images, we can change text, we can change the background, we can change colors, fonts, we can make it bold, bigger, and do whatever you need. I don't really like these dots right here, so I'm going to delete these. And we need to download some images for our products to showcase our product in this post, in this pin. So let's go back to our product, click on one of these images, click on open image in new tab, and click on save image as. Now let's repeat this process for a few more images. So I'll speed this process up. Once you download all of your images, go back to Canva, click on uploads, click on upload files, and upload all of your downloaded images. Now we can delete those images, maybe delete one of these and customize it to our needs. I want to make this a bit bigger for our product images to be clearly visible. You can just drag and drop like this, or you can delete this and just drag like this. Okay, so I added all of my product images. Now I want to add something related to weight loss, to fitness, maybe a woman doing exercises or something. So we can do that by going to pexels.com and search for weight loss. And let's see what they get. For example, I really like this image over here, so we click on this and click on free download. Go back to Canva. Again, click on uploads, upload files, and upload the image you just downloaded. Now we can drag and drop this image. Now let's change our headline to top 5 weight loss tips. And let's change the font, maybe to impact. Let's see, make it a bit bigger. Change the color to black. Let's see how it looks. And you can also change the spacing like this. Maybe do this, and we can make it a bit bigger, just like this. Also, we can add some elements to highlight our text, or you can just simply go to effects and add background. Of course, not yellow, maybe white. Yes, let's do white. Okay, it's not the prettiest pin, but I don't want to spend a lot of time in this video, just me customizing the template. So I'll just stick to this one. Once we are done, click on share, download, and download this to your computer. Now go back to your Pinterest account, click on create a pin, choose a file, and choose a template we just downloaded. We can change a title to top 5 weight loss tips, and now we'll craft a description that aligns with the goal of your specific affiliate product. For instance, if you are promoting an email marketing tool, your description might highlight how this tool can enhance your website's CEO, or boost your marketing strategies. This description should reflect the benefits and objectives associated with your product. The simplest ways that I usually use is ChatGPT. So we can go to ChatGPT and ask to write a 200 to 300 symbols description for a Pinterest pin about top 5 weight loss tips, including emojis and hashtags. Click enter. Once it's done, click on copy, go back to your Pinterest account, and paste it right here. Now we have to add our link. This is where we'll craft a website, a landing page to promote our affiliate product. So go back to sites.google.com and set up a new page dedicated to our affiliate offerings. This website only needs to consist of a single page, and I'll guide you through setting up in just 5 minutes. Let's see how quickly we can set this up. Change the title to top 5 weight loss tips. You'll make it bold, and you can adjust the size and spacing as you need. So in this case, I'll just leave it as is. Now let's head over to Pexels one more time, and we need to download a background image. We can search for weight loss, and let's see what we can get. I really like this one right here, so I'll just click on download and go back to your Google Sites, click on the image, upload, and upload the image we just downloaded. Okay, our landing page is starting to come together. Now we need to write an article titled Top 5 Weight Loss Tips and add in our affiliate link from Amazon for the related product. Crafting this article can be managed independently or with the help of AI such as ChatGPT. So we can go back to ChatGPT, click on new chat, and ask it to write an article on top 5 weight loss tips, including the use of a now we need to copy our product's name, vibration plate exercise machine. Paste it right here. The use of a vibration plate exercise machine, and click on enter. Now let's wait for ChatGPT to do its thing. You can always ask to write a longer article or a shorter if you want a shorter one, or to add some points or to add something. But in this case, I'll stick to this one and click on copy. Okay, let's head over to Google Sites. You can drag in some images if you want, but for now I'll just add a text box. Paste your article right here, and don't forget to format this article and make it visually appealing. What I mean is make these points, for example, bold, and this one right here, all of these 5 points bold, so anyone who clicks on these can see clearly what are the main points and what are the main top 5 weight loss tips. Okay, all that's left to do is go to Amazon, copy your affiliate link, and then paste it into the article wherever it mentions vibration plate exercise machine. So go back to Amazon, click on text, copy this link, go back to Google Sites. Now we need to find there in the text this vibration plate exercise machine is mentioned. So I already can see it right here. I also can bold this text and click on insert link and paste your affiliate link right here, and do this throughout the whole page. For example, in this right here, bold this text and click on insert and insert right here. So as we get ready to publish this guide, we'll assign a web address to ensure it's accessible for those new to weight loss strategies. So just click on publish. Securing a domain in this popular niche may take some effort, but once you have it, just click on publish. To see how it looks live, go to the top right corner and click on View Published Sites. Now you can see a headline, Top 5 Weight Loss Tips. You can see a whole article, and you can clearly see where we added the affiliate links. So click on one of these and it redirects us to the exact product we are promoting. Okay, great. Everything looks good. Now you can just copy your Google Sites link, go back to your Pinterest account and paste it right here. After that, you can choose a board or create one. For example, weight loss tips for women. Click on create. You can add some tags. You can publish at a later date. And once you're done, you You can click on publish. Okay, great. Your pin is published and live. Now, as I mentioned earlier, here's a bonus tip. If you're looking to fully automate your Pinterest account, there's a useful platform called Fiverr.com. Search for Pinterest pin creation, click enter, and you'll find numerous freelancers ready to assist you. Though not for free, of course. If you have some extra money laying around, it's an excellent way to save time and potentially turn your efforts into passive income. So for example, if we click on this one right here, I'm not promoting this one, it's just the random one I clicked. You can see the offering. So 5 days Pinterest Marketing Manager. Create 20 SEO optimized pins plus audit your account plus boards creation. Sounds great, right? But if you prefer not to outsource everything, you could hire a designer to craft eye-catching pin designs, as I should do if you saw my design, or even create an article enabling you to post more frequently. There's a wide range of freelancers available, so I'll include a link in the description for you to explore this website. Okay, this wraps up this video. I hope you found it useful as I walked you through each step. Remember to explore the links in the description, give a like if you enjoyed it, and feel free to comment with any questions. Also make sure to subscribe for more great content on the way. See you in the next video.